July 15th, 2020, and you see a new video on your YouTube suggested page. The creator is Miss Introvert. That's me, shameless plug. You're intrigued, even though her film quality is awkward and subpar. What do you do with this video? This is a writing prompt, by the way, I'm sure you figured that out. You can write whatever you want, but maybe you or your character decided to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video to help grow our introverted writing community. Or you can just do that right now. Button's right down there. I'll wait. Oh yeah, I have writing prompts to read you. Summer writing prompts. Yeah, okay, fine. Never mind. But you should still subscribe. Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. You may call me Miss Introvert, and today we are going to be reading and you're going to be writing some summer writing prompts to stimulate your creativity this summer as we transition into July, or as I like to call it, the dead of summer. You know, because winter is dead, so can summer be dead too? Like, these prompts aren't all going to be beach parties and picnics. Summer has humid, scorching days with very awkward get-togethers, beneficial but grueling summer jobs, and nights where it's too hot to sleep that you just have a fan blowing directly into your face. You know what, I should probably save these for the writing prompts. That's my experience anyway, it doesn't have to be yours. Now without further ado, let's begin. Prompt number 1. The ocean is a whole new world that you've never seen before. The water is endless against the horizon, the blue hue clashes against the clouds, and the foam of the waves bubbles and almost knocks you off your feet. The scenery is more than beautiful, and you can't find the words to describe it. As you admire your surroundings, you realize you've been distracted, and there's someone you don't know drowning far off in the sea, and no one is doing anything about it. What do you do? Sorry, that got dark. Prompt number 2. Your car is broken down on the highway. There's no signal on your phone, and the temperature seems to only skyrocket as you wait, leaning against your car window. Other cars speed past you, not lending a helping hand, and you're late for an important meeting. What is the meeting, and is there anything you can do to turn this situation around? Prompt number 3. You're on a walk around your neighborhood, and a cool day with refreshing wind has finally graced you with its presence. The dog you're walking is happy to be outside as well, which makes the day even better. Make sure you give your dogs plenty of walks this summer. They do love their exercise and it makes them really happy. In fact, you should do it throughout the year. Just as you're turning the corner around the block, you hear the faint sound of running footsteps coming in your direction. They're getting closer and closer. What do you do? Prompt number 4. Your old treehouse sits lazily on its perch, and it's shaded by sparkling leaves. Your younger siblings play in the sprinkler and pay it no mind. When was the last time you went up there? Prompt number 5. A fight has just broken out at your family barbecue. And not a regular verbal fight about politics. This is a brawl, and they're fighting dangerously close to the grill. Who is fighting? Are you taking part in the fight? Are you trying to stop it? Does the grill get knocked over? Prompt number 6. As you sit at your grandmother's porch, a bunny hops into view, barely noticing you, and is advancing toward the garden. Your grandmother's told you that she doesn't want bunnies in her garden. What do you do? Prompt number 7. It's another scary Netflix movie night and the fan is blaring into your ears. You turn up the volume, but you think you hear a noise in the kitchen. You want to get up to see, but you also know that the house makes sounds, and that you're too tired to get up after working all day. What happens next? And those are just some of the writing prompts. I thought you guys enjoyed the summer to get those creative gears in your head turning. Keep going with your writing projects and let these prompts stimulate your creativity and give you more ideas. If you want to share the writing responses you came up with, do comment in the comment section. I would love to see what you guys came up with because you're all so gifted and creative. I hope this helped anyone who is looking for some advice on writing, and this is just my take on the subject. There are plenty of other ways to look at this concept, and you can modify my advice however you'd like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video to help grow our introverted writing community. Comment down below what you love about being a writer, an introvert, or even a fan of a certain fandom. I would love to start a discussion or a rant in the comment section. Well, that's all for now, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, check out my blog, and find the writing help you need on my Fiverr account. All the links will be in the description below. And stay basic. Okay, bye!